Oh no, we're stuck. Oh, we're stuck on the ride.
Zach's 25th birthday. 25.
25.
Birthday extravaganza.
Okay, we're on the airplane now. We have our masks on. Full of spirit because we're cheap, but we're about to get there anyway. Hopefully. Pray for us. At the boathouse, waiting for our food. I ordered the filet mignon with the lobster tail on the side. Zach, what did you order?
I don't remember, but hopefully it's good.
There's Zach's meal. What do you think? Good? How many stars?
Oh, at least 7.
7 stars. Not that good. Yay, birthday cupcake for the birthday boy. Make a wish.
2 hours later.
Yay! What'd you wish for?
You.
Oh.
No, I'm joking.
The next day.
Alright, we're here in Orlando, Universal Studios. They're doing temperature checks. It's been really good with a lot of social distancing. So yeah, here we are. Came to the park and we were thinking that the wait wasn't going to be too long because there's barely anybody here, but since we're doing social distancing, every other cart like for the roller coasters are empty, and so the waits are still kind of long. The Spider-Man was like 55 minutes, and so we decided to, well, Zach decided to buy fast passes, and let me tell you, it was expensive. I don't know, I feel some type of way about it, but it's his birthday, so we'll let him do what he wants. If he wants to spend that money, that's fine. So we bought the express passes for today and tomorrow on all the rides, so we're about to be going through all these rides really quick. This is the first time I've had express pass for like a major theme park, so I'm excited to see like if the experience is gonna be better. Anyway, we're about to be going to the Hulk ride now, which is like one of the biggest rides in the park, and I'll let you guys know how it is. The Hulk ride. My wig flew off during the ride.
It was off completely.
But that's what I get for not having secured my wig before going on a roller coaster like that.
She wouldn't let me buy the picture.
No, because the picture, my wig was like on the side like this. I should have shown you guys. I should have put that. Oh my god. Anyway, so for the rest of the rides, I'm about to go get some bobby pins because I should have secured this. I don't know what I was thinking. This is an amateur mistake. Secure your wig before you go on roller coasters. Look who we see in the distance. Our friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. Hi. We are now in Jurassic Park with Skull Island. Spookier here. 75-minute wait, but since we have fast passes, psych. Let me tell you guys, like, even though fast pass is expensive, it is so worth it. We have waited literally no time for rides. Like, we literally just be hopping on. It's crazy. 3 glasses. Go.
Just the locals, folks. Not be good.
Alright, well that was a cool one. What do you think? What would you rate that?
Crazy.
What rating would you give
Just
it?
like the movie. Oh man, give it an 8.5.
Yeah, it was pretty cool. I liked it. A lot of 3D rides here at Universal. Like a lot of like 3D glasses and virtual rides. But where are we going next? On the Jurassic Park ride. Look.
Tour is at the door code.
So far, so good. They're not wet yet. Some trouble.
I think it's time to turn around. You turn the boat around.
Please stay seated. Prepare to open the receiving dock ahead.
Oh no, what happened here?
There's a door mode off course in the rapid containment area. We've got to
Uh-oh. What's going on up there?
Anyone can hear me?
That was fun. We didn't get too wet. Where are we going next?
Oh, I think maybe Harry Potter. We'll see.
Okay. Harry Potter.
Where is everybody?
Yeah, so the park is pretty empty, which is pretty cool. Social distancing and everyone has to wear masks. So it's awesome to see it like this. Like, it's crazy. It's like a ghost town. These are all the Harry Potter shops. And now we're about to go ride the Hogwarts Forbidden Journey ride, which is usually like a 60-minute wait, but since we have fast passes, I think it should be pretty quick. If you're a Harry Potter fan, you'd know that we're in Professor Sprout's greenhouse. See all her plants and stuff. And like, they really just thought this out really awesomely. And they said that they used some of the props from the movie in the actual park. I'm not sure which ones they are.
Oh no, we're stuck. Oh, we're stuck on the ride.
Okay, so we're currently stuck on the ride. About like how many feet in the air are we right now?
A lot of feet.
Oh my gosh, I
This
am
is crazy.
terrified. Sitting here and I don't want to even move an inch because I feel like I'm about to die, and we're stuck in the forbidden forest, of course.
No, we're not even in the forbidden forest.
Uh-oh.
Oh, there go the lights. Come over there.
Well, you guys can see it behind the scenes of the ride, what it looks like with the lights on. It's, wow.
Chamber of Secrets. Sir.
Oh, we're in the chamber of secrets. We're still waiting here. I don't even know what's going on.
You see the flashlights coming.
You see flashlights, you see the generator of the ride. We're stuck in the Chamber of Secrets, which is probably the worst place to be stuck on in the movie.
With the Dementor.
With the Dementor waiting for us, and then the basilisk right in front of us, and us being how many feet in the air. Oh god. I don't even want to look.